everybody, Urban Sneaker here. Today I am unboxing the new Air Max 90 Paris edition. This is part of Nike's Air Max 90 City Pack collection that also features Shanghai, Tokyo, New York, and of course Paris. I was really excited about this pair when I saw it on the sneakers app. Looked like a really clean shoe, an all white Air Max 90 with some touches to sort of represent France. So yeah, let's take a look at what we got in the box here. It's not your standard orange Nike Air Max box, but yeah, check these out. So what we got here? Look at these. Look at that. Give you a little bit to 360, some details of this. All right, so let's talk about a little bit about the materials. So as you can see, it's a canvas that they have wrapped up in this shoe, which is very unique because normally this shoe is always leather. And on the app, it was kind of hard to tell what the materials were on this. But this shoe has a lot of cool little details, so let's cut into some of those. So here on the back tab you have a really cool sort of logo for Nike. You have the French flag, sort of cloth material with this gold and embroidery, and you have the wheat stock here, and I think that the whole purpose was to represent French bakers. But it's a really nice logo. I'm gonna get up close there, and sticks out, it protrudes out quite a bit to give it a lot more depth, and really makes the gold shine quite a bit because it gives it some shadowing depending on the angle you look at it, and it gives it a real good 3D texture. You look at the material itself, it's canvas all throughout. And the air bubbles got a bit of beige to represent that wheat color. The swoosh here is nice patent leather, but what you can really notice is these tabs. And a standard Air Max 90, as most of you know, these are normally plastic. On this shoe, as you can tell, that it's not. That it's just part of the structure itself, and they've got that nice embroidery around each of the lace holes. You come around, you have these cool little 2020 markers on the lace tabs, and the Nike Air in sort of a freehand style and French flag colors. And then on the inside, you have this fun little tab here on the insole. Really cool. And you got more of the wheat stock motif going on. Anyways, I mean, depending on how you like to wear your weight shoes, some people like it really clean. Some people like to scuff them up a little bit. I actually got a couple pairs because I haven't decided how I want to wear these yet, but I will probably spray one with one of those waterproof, stain-proof coatings maybe like a Rejuvenator or one from Angelus. But yeah, pretty nice. And oh, and if you notice here in the back tab, you have Paris embroidered in there. Really nice. Really well made, high quality. The canvas is really nice, and it's nice that they use two different types, so it gives that shoe sort of more dimension. Sorry for the sirens in the background. Yeah, this is going to be definitely my spring summer shoe when it's not raining. And you have the comfort of Air Max 90, and you got the white all around. Yeah. So here you go. This is the Air Max 90 Paris edition that commemorates French bakers, makes the baguettes and the croissants, and keeps everybody happy. So here it is, the Air Max 90 Paris. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a quick one and I haven't done it in a while, but I've been sort of busy. But I hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, definitely hit that like button down below, and also subscribe to my channel. I want to be able to bring you guys a lot more content. I got a lot of shoes, and you know, the more subscribers I get, the more I want to post these videos. You can see here I have quite a collection building up. So you know, if you want to see more of these unboxings, hey, please subscribe and know that people are watching. Thanks again for watching, and hope to show you more shoes and more sneakers in the future. Have a great one.